In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display the Tidio chatbot on specific pages. This process is fairly straightforward and allows you to customize exactly where your chat widget will be visible, ensuring it appears only on the pages you choose. So, let's dive in and explore how to do this step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Tidio dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings section. This is where you'll find all the crucial controls to manage various aspects of your chat widget, ensuring it works exactly the way you want on your website. Next, head over to the Live Chat tab and click on Appearance. This section allows you to manage how your chat widget looks and behaves on your site. It's not only about aesthetics, but also about functionality. You want your widget to be where it can provide the most value without being intrusive. Once you're in the Appearance section, look for a subsection called Visibility and Position. This is the key area where you'll control on which pages your widget will appear or stay hidden. Customizing this will help enhance the user experience as visitors navigate through your site. Under the Visibility and Position settings, you'll spot several options. Pay close attention to the one labeled Hide on specific pages. This feature is particularly useful when you want to exclude the chat widget from appearing on certain pages. Here, you can input exact URLs where you don't want the chatbot. This is beneficial for pages where the chatbot might not be relevant, such as checkout pages or a thank you page after a form submission. For more flexibility, you can also list partial URL matches. This option is handy when you have a series of pages grouped under similar URLs and you wish to keep the widget off all of them. For instance, if all your blog pages follow a similar structure like blog post title, you can enter that structure to prevent the chatbot from showing across all blog pages instead of listing them individually. As you configure these settings, keep your user experience in mind. It's helpful to ensure that the chat widget is available where it can be most helpful, like product or services pages, while being hidden on pages where it might distract or confuse the user. This approach can improve engagement where you need it most and streamline navigation where necessary. After making your selections, double-check the URLs you've entered to avoid any unwanted visibility issues with your chat widget. Once satisfied with your settings, ensure you save your changes. Remember, configuring these options effectively can make a significant difference in how visitors interact with your website and engage with your brand. And there you have it, a straightforward way to control the visibility of your Tidio chatbot on specific pages of your website. These settings will help you provide a more tailored experience for your visitors, optimizing their interaction and ensuring the chatbot is present and functional where it's truly needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide useful.